With Label Genie, we can turn hours of labeling work into just minutes. Filtering by layer, choosing our anchor objects and label type, finally choosing a style with any formatting options we might choose. Label Genie will insert hundreds of labels at once. We can change our layer filter to assign a different type of style and label to different anchor objects, avoiding the need to pick and click hundreds of times on all of our objects and instead inserting labels all at once. Perhaps we want to insert M-text. We can do that to cover any kind of labeling scenarios. In this case, we'll choose polylines, and we'll look for closed polylines on a particular layer. We can anchor at the centroid of those polylines, and then we can embed an AutoCAD field into the M-text, specifying our prefixing or suffixing to spell out units accordingly. We get all kinds of details on formatting, including text height, display width, offsets, you name it. Again, Label Genie prompts us for the anchor point and the number of labels, and we're on our way. Take something like assemblies. There's normally no way to label these in Civil 3D. Well, using M-text, we can anchor these, and then we can reference the assembly name in the AutoCAD field, specify some formatting, and then all of our labels are inserted. Because they're AutoCAD fields, they're dynamic, and so any updating of the object will update the M-text field. Here's another example where we have two sheet drawings with XREF base files. We're going to choose both drawing sources at once and label all layouts in both drawings at the same time. We'll choose surface spot elevations and anchor these to feature lines, and we'll anchor them to the vertices of those feature lines. We can specify a layer filter, and it will read into the XREF for those objects, and we can also filter by the required object, the surface. Finally, we choose our styling, both a label style and a marker style. And in this case, Label Genie will insert over 500 labels at once. Normally, we'd have to pick and click every single one of those. We can do a similar thing with other surface labeling types. For example, surface slope labels. We've got both 1 point and 2 point. We'll choose 2 point and anchor them to segments. Choose our appropriate style, and everything is added in at once. Label Genie always gives a confirmation of the results. And the beauty of Label Genie is that if we have a design change, which we will, we always do, in this case, there was a change to our grading plan. Some of the grade breaks along our lot lines have changed. Using another Sim Project Suite tool, AutoGrader, we're adjusting all of our lot grading at once in our base grading file. We then come back to our sheet files. We reload and synchronize those references. And what we'll see is all of our labels will be off. I simply run Label Genie again, pick that same scenario, the same styles, and what we'll see is those hundreds of labels now shift to reflect that change in geometry in the lot lines. There's the surface slope labels shifting. Now we need to do the same for the surface spot labels, choosing the same setup as before, appropriate styles, and there we are. So not just adding labels, but updating labels as well. Label Genie will save you tons of time.